Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving deep into the art of making tough decisions in a timely manner. We all know how challenging it can be when faced with difficult choices, but fear not. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you 10 expert tips that will empower you to navigate through these tough situations with confidence and efficiency. From defining priorities to embracing calculated risks, get ready to enhance your decision-making skills and conquer those tough decisions like a pro. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Making tough decisions can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can navigate through them more effectively. Here are 10 tips to help you make tough decisions in a timely manner. 1. Define your priorities. Clearly identify what matters most to you and what you aim to achieve. Understanding your priorities will provide a framework for evaluating different options. 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all the necessary facts, figures, and insights related to the decision at hand. This will enable you to make an informed choice and reduce uncertainty. 3. Set a deadline. Establish a realistic deadline for making the decision. Having a time limit encourages you to focus and prevents prolonged indecision. 4. Evaluate pros and cons. Make a list of the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Weigh the potential benefits and drawbacks associated with different choices to gain a balanced perspective. 5. Consider the long-term implications. Think about the potential consequences of each decision in the future. Evaluate how it aligns with your long-term goals and values. 6. Trust your intuition. Sometimes, your gut feeling can offer valuable insights. Pay attention to your intuition while considering the available information and your past experiences. 7. Seek advice and input. Consult with trusted individuals who have expertise or experience in the relevant area. Their perspectives can help you gain new insights and consider different viewpoints. 8. Avoid analysis paralysis. While gathering information is crucial, be cautious not to get caught in a cycle of overthinking. Trust your judgment and remember that no decision is perfect. 9. Embrace calculated risks. Recognize that some decisions involve a level of uncertainty and risk. Assess the potential risks and rewards and be willing to take calculated risks when necessary. 10. Take action. Once you have weighed the options and considered the relevant factors, make a decision and take action. Avoid second-guessing yourself unless new information emerges that significantly changes the context. Remember that making tough decisions requires practice, and it's natural to feel some discomfort. Trust your abilities and learn from each decision-making experience to enhance your future choices. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content on personal growth and mental health. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.